So hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video we will know about Nmap. So Nmap is basically a free software available on almost all the major operating systems. So Nmap is a free information gathering software which you can use to scan for open ports and other services on the internet or for any other IP address. So basically there are two different ways using which you can open Nmap in your system. So in this tutorial I am using Kali Linux, and you can also install it in your operating system also. So here you can see this is the main home page of the nmap.org website. You go to the download section and this is what you get. So here you can see it is available for Microsoft Windows, it's available for Linux, it's available for Mac OS and other distros also. And so let's start. So basically there are different ways you can open Nmap. So click here, you click on information gathering and click on Nmap. It starts. So here you can see this is like an manual for this app or this penetration testing software, and these are all the information available which you can read if you want. If you like reading, you can definitely read it. If you don't want to read it, then just scroll down to the bottom and you will see something like this. Let me zoom in. Yeah, here you can see this nmap dot these are some examples for this website. So let's go to the website again and let me tell you something. So basically the scanning the ports of scanning in website is actually pure illegal. You are not allowed to scan any website without their consent or without written permission. So I highly recommend you, if you are going to scan any website, any IP address, always get their permission first in written, or else you can land in jail. So keep my advice if you want. So likewise there is a website available by the Nmap organization itself. It is scanmap.nmap.org. So did I said scanmap? sorry, it's scanme.nmap.org. So we set up this machine to help folk learn about Nmap and also to test and make sure the Nmap installation is working properly. You are authorized to scan the machine with Nmap or other port scanners. Try not to hammer the website too hard. Try not to hammer the server too hard. A few scans in a day is fine, but don't scan 100 times a day. That what was I was about to say to you. You can use the website to test it a few times a day, like you can do it 5 to 10 times a day, but more than that I wouldn't recommend, because it also harms the server and this wouldn't be good for both of us. And yeah, so or use this site to test your SSH brute force password cracking. So yeah, you can always hit up this website for better practice. So here, so let me go to example. What's happening? Yeah, it's okay. Now there are different you would be thinking, what are these words available? Yeah, these are actually different what do you say, these are actually like different tools available for you which you can use. So this is the main command nmap, and here V stand for version number. So when you do a scan, you want to know what is the version number of the server or any machine or the operating system the website is running on, which always can help you. And this is actually a aggressive scan, and this tells about the OS detection, version number, script scanning, and trace route. This I want to tell you something about Nmap. Nmap is a very aggressive scanner, which means if you try to scan a website, and there are actually high chances that you will get caught by the so there are actually high chances you will get caught by the firewall for doing this. So actually this leaves the trace very much. So it is an art in itself that how you can hide yourself, how you can do the scan easily and not aggressively, and that's what is recommended to everyone. Now this Nmap minus V actually stand for verbose, and SN this would talk about later in this on the next videos. Now you would be thinking, what is this? So here you can see this is one IP address and this is second IP address. So what is done here is that the person has actually given a command from this IP address to that IP address. So keep one thing in mind, you can always use the search engine for any of the problems. So I have seen it many times that many people don't search their problems on the search engine. You can use Google, you can use DuckDuckGo, whichever you want, it's your own choice, but you can always use it. You should always use it. That's my recommendation. So so I was talking about major IP scanning. So open an IP, open a browser and search major IP block. You open the first website. So actually there are different sets of IPs which are assigned to different countries. So let me talk about Afghanistan. Let's open the first one which is showing. So here you can see that this to this there are actually 8192 IPs under this range, and these are assigned to some person. This to this, these are assigned to some person, and so on. If you go back and search Algeria, for example, you can see this to this, and there are also another. So like go to India. Here you can see there are actually much IPs assigned. So you can search if you copy it and search who is so you will know that this is owned by some company, where it is situated in India, and all other information available. So you can always search the search browser, or you can always take help from the search engine, and it would give you a lot of benefit. So like Nmap, there is actually another command called ns lookup, which is always installed in your Linux machine. For example, I want to know about the address of scanme.nmap.org, the website we are going to scan in the later videos or in the later part. So let's search. It's not starting. Let's open ns lookup. Let me zoom in. Yeah. scanme.nmap.org. so you see this would give you the address of the website. So if you in case I copy it and try searching this, it should probably give me this website name. So ns lookup, let me paste it. Yeah, you see it has given me this website. So so there are actually a few things which you can keep in mind. For example, whenever we do this penetration testing, or we do work for any company or any project we do work on, so we need to write an report, and for that report we need to collect the information or collect the flags. So we need to save those information. For example, I wanna save this information regarding what would be the result in this command case. So I can write ns lookup and this and home Kali. Here in case of Kali, you can change your username and then desktop and then / I want to save it by name result.txt. so here you can see the result which we would see here is also available here. So yeah, this is all about Nmap. We will know about it in further videos. If you like it, then you can share it with your friends, with your family, anyone which you wanna share the knowledge up to. And I will meet you in the next video, and we will talk about the basic of Nmap, and till the time you can practice it online on websites including Hack the Box, and some of the websites over there are also available. So basically you would get IP address available of the machines which are active, and you can apply Nmap on those and get results. So thank you for watching. Meet you in the next one. Bye.